Night temperatures dropped across Kashmir Valley and Ladakh region on Tuesday as the Daraz town froze at -15. Rain and snowfall occurred in different towns, cities and villages of the territory. Srinagar recorded 4.5 degrees, Pahalgam -3.4 degrees and Gulmarg -4.6 degrees as the minimum temperature this morning. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that India is using military might with Hindutva approach to suppress the Kashmiri struggle for securing their inalienable right to self-determination. The APHC spokesman made it clear to India that the sacrifices of more than 500,000 people who laid their precious lives, tens of thousands who migrated to Pakistan and Azad Kashmir, and thousands including APHC leadership facing illegal detention would not be allowed to go waste. Many Kashmiri journalists refused to file fabricated stories on Kashmir and opted resign from several English newspapers instead of towing the Modi regime's lines to advance Hindutva agenda in the territory. Besides preventing journalists from reporting the real ground situation, military violence and atrocities, the newspaper owners were also forcing them to prepare fabricated anti-Kashmir and pro-India, mostly carrying BJP RSS narrative news stories. Indian Minister for Petroleum Hardeep Singh Puri has acknowledged that India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru took the Kashmir dispute to the United Nations, which he however called a monumental blunder. Talking to media persons in New Delhi, Hardeep Singh Puri has questioned why was the Kashmir issue taken to international or multinational fora. A US tourist citizen has gone missing in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. The US citizen Macmillan Anderson was staying in a hotel and had messaged the hotel owners on November 8 that he had got stuck in the mountains of the state. According to the people involved in the search operation, chances of Anderson surviving after almost a week of being missing were bleak.